Halo, selamat sore. Saya Melanie Linturan beserta kameramen Ican Tamami. Sekarang ini Februari 13, 2010, tepatnya jam 2.30, sedang berada di LA Convention Center, tepatnya di West Hall. Sedang diadakan sebuah acara yang disponsori oleh LA Times dengan tema Travel and Adventure Show. KJRI LA menyumbangkan beberapa pertunjukan seperti tari-tarian dan musik gamelan. Mari kita tonton bersama. And we saw you dancing earlier. Did you enjoy that?
I love the dance. The dance is very intricate and it's very fun. Yeah.
Is this your first time seeing an Indonesian dance?
Actually, no.
Have you been there before?
Yes, I've been through Bali.
Nice, nice. So what was your impression when you were in Bali?
A beautiful country. The dance is very romantic. It's very intriguing and the country is beautiful. So knowing that and that you folks would be here today, I had to come and see this.
So are you planning to go back there maybe sometime in the future?
I am. Within the year, we'll be back there.
Okay, you should probably visit other islands.
Well, we've not been to Jakarta. I'd like to visit Jakarta, and I'd like to see as much as possible of, Southeast Asia and Indonesia.
Okay, well, good. Well, thank you very much, Mr. Allen. I hope you enjoyed today's show.
We will, definitely. Thank you very much.
And you're here today for...
For the travel show, but I like dances, so I stay here before going there. I've been here for about 3 hours, 2 hours.
So make sure to come and check out the Indonesian booth.
I will.
Okay, thank you very much.
So much. Bye-bye.
Bisa ceritakan sedikit tentang kegiatan Bapak dan Ibu Wenten sekarang?
Ya, sebenarnya saya berdua itu adalah dosen tetap di California Institute of the Art. Ya, itu ada program namanya World Music di sana. Jadi saya mengajar itu musik Bali sama tarian Bali sama musik ethnomusicology. Juga saya part time di UCLA dan Pomona.
Saya mengajar tari Bali dan tari Jawa juga di Cal Arts, California Institute of the Arts dan di Pomona College. Jadi dan hari Sabtu biasanya kita ada community belajar tari Bali.
Sekarang kita di Amerika ada 50 negara bagian, 45 negara bagian itu sudah ada gamelan. Sekitar 300 grup ada di Amerika. Jadi termasuk luar biasa, pengaruhnya luar biasa. Nanti secepatnya kita akan buka program belajar gamelan di konsulat. Mungkin hari Minggu, jamnya kita belum tahu. Nanti kalau ada minat nanti hubungi konsulat itu, gitu aja.
Baik Bapak Anwar, kira-kira bagaimana bisa kita diundang atau Indonesia diundang untuk berpartisipasi di acara LA Times ini?
Oh iya, terima kasih. Pertama-tama memang sebetulnya acara seperti ini reguler. Setiap tahun ada undangan, namun di tahun-tahun sebelumnya kita belum berkesempatan untuk aktif ikut. Di tahun ini kita sudah ikut dan kita menampilkan pertunjukan budaya kita yang nampaknya juga mendapat sambutan baik dari penonton. Kita memang berharap bahwa forum seperti ini kita bisa ikuti secara reguler karena untuk mempromosikan pariwisata kita. Walaupun kita belum punya penerbangan langsung ke Indonesia, tapi paling tidak mereka kenallah Indonesia. Dan KJRI sendiri sebetulnya melaksanakan acara budaya ini dalam berbagai forum. Ini hanya salah satu di antara sekian banyak dalam jadwal 1 tahun. Jadi yang mudah-mudahan melalui LA Travel Adventure ini berharap kita nanti turis akan semakin banyak dari Amerika ke Indonesia.
Ya, Bapak Dusep Mulya bisa ceritakan Bapak dari bagian pemerintah di Indonesia?
Saya dari Departemen Kebudayaan Pariwisata. Untuk pertama kali ikut berpartisipasi dalam LA Time Travel and Adventure Show ini. Sejak lama kita tidak promosi di Los Angeles terutama ini. Dan kita baru tahun ini kita mencoba untuk mempromosikan Indonesia melalui kegiatan ini.
Yes, I'm the sales manager for Garuda Indonesia. I'm based in Los Angeles. We represent Garuda in the US market for the last 7 years. We have 5 offices in the US, New York, Houston, Chicago, and Vancouver and Toronto.
Now, we've been hearing news that Garuda might open the route between LA and Jakarta. How true is that?
Well, it is in the planning, and Garuda definitely want to come back to the US, and Los Angeles is a natural gateway since we flew here in the 90s. I think it's a good possibilities. We will know in the next year or so. The earliest I think that could happen in 2012. You will find out in a big way. The moment we have an idea, we will participate along with the Indonesian consulate, with the embassy in New York, and we'll have a publicity campaign all over the country, and we will invite the trade, and we will announce the route. It's been something we want to do for the last 10 years, and believe me, we can't wait. So you'll be the first to know.
Mr. Edi Soeharto, which is the Economic Consul for the Indonesian Consulate General in LA. Now, Mr. Soeharto, can you please tell us how this program came about? I mean, how did Indonesia or the consulate got involved with this LA Times show?
Yeah, thank you, Melanie. First of all, we got information from one of our agency here. And then coincidentally, I also got information from the organizing committee, Mr. John Spooner. So last year, I got an opportunity to take a look at this expo. And then I made a recommendation. We made a recommendation to our central government, the Ministry of Tourism in Jakarta. We recommended that we should participate because our market in LA, especially, and for general in the US, has not been very much touched by our promotion Indonesian government.
Baik, demikianlah acara kita pada hari ini, tepatnya acara LA Times Travel and Adventure Show. Telah kita nikmati bersama acara tari-tarian dan pertunjukan musik kebudayaan Indonesia. Tentunya besar harapan kami agar supaya dengan acara-acara seperti ini, kebudayaan Indonesia semakin terekspos dan membuka jalur untuk orang-orang Indonesia dan terlebih lagi para turis-turis dari mancanegara untuk sering-sering berkunjung ke Indonesia. Sampai ketemu lagi.